In this video, I will take you on a deep dive into the impressive world of the COSWHEEL R19 electric dirt bike, a machine built for those who crave adventure without the noise of a gas engine. This bike stands out immediately with its rugged, military-inspired aesthetic that looks ready to tackle any trail you throw at it. At the heart of this beast is a powerful high-torque motor that delivers instant acceleration, making it feel incredibly responsive whether you are climbing steep hills or sprinting across flat plains. One of the most important aspects for any rider is range, and the R19 does not disappoint. It features a high-capacity battery system that lets you explore for miles on end, and the best part is that it is removable for easy charging inside your home or garage. Comfort is also a top priority here, thanks to the professional-grade dual suspension system that soaks up bumps and rocky terrain like a pro. The fat tires provide exceptional grip on sand, mud, and snow, giving you the confidence to ride in any season. Safety is handled by sharp hydraulic disc brakes that offer massive stopping power when you need it most.